Now, shifting focus, commuters in Delhi NCR today are facing a major transportation challenge due to the two-day strike called by several auto and taxi driver unions. The unions are protesting against the likes of Ola, Uber, and Rapido over unfair pay and other legal issues. As a result, several commuters at the New Delhi railway station and other parts of the national capital have been left stranded as they struggle to find a ride.
टैक्सी मिल ही नहीं रही मुझे। मैं काफ़ी देर से खड़ा हूँ, ट्रेन बुक करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। इन लोगों से भी बात करी लेकिन ये लोग अपने मन मुताबिक रेट बता रहे हैं, तो ये परेशानी हो रही है हमें। हम घर नहीं जा पा रहे। अब तबीयत ख़राब है, नहीं तो मेट्रो से चले जाते लेकिन ये गलत हो रहा है जो भी हो रहा है।
मेरे को पता नहीं था कि स्ट्राइक है। मैं अभी 10 मिनट से ट्राई कर रहा था सारे ऐप्स से और बात कर रहा था, बट कोई ले जाने की रेडी नहीं है, कोई एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा। यहाँ पर भी ये लोग नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं।
And according to the vice president of the Delhi Auto Taxi Transport Union, the main reason behind the strike was due to aggregator companies running illegally and the drivers being underpaid. He also warned that if the government does pay attention to their demands, the drivers will extend their strike and protest at the offices of these radio cab companies.
जो एग्रीगेटर कंपनियां हैं, पहली बात ये इलीगल चल रही हैं। जो भी हमारे ड्राइवर भाई हैं उनको भरपूर किराया नहीं मिल रहा। दूसरा, इन कंपनियों के माध्यम से प्राइवेट व्हीकल, चाहे वो मोटर बाइक हो, स्कूटी हो, प्राइवेट कार हो, इन्होंने अपने ऐप पे सबको जोड़ लिया है। अब उसकी वजह से जो ऑटो वाले हैं या टैक्सी वाले हैं उनका व्यवसाय खत्म हो रहा है धीरे धीरे। तो जब आज पानी सर से ऊपर हो गया तो हमने 2 की कॉल दी हुई है, 22 और 23 की। अगर सरकार या कंपनियां इस ओर ध्यान नहीं देती है तो ये आगे भी बढ़ेगी। हमारी मुख्य मांगे यही है कि ये जो ऐप बेस्ड कंपनियां हैं इनको बंद करें, इनको अपने सिस्टम से हटाएं, नहीं तो इनकी कंपनियों के कार्यालयों पे भी ड्राइवर धरना देंगे। गलत तो नहीं कह रहा भैया?
Crossing over to my colleague Nikhil now, who's been tracking what the impact has been like on the ground. Nikhil, so how big has this really been on the ground when we're talking about a strike like this?
Well, Aisha, with the fear of getting their vehicles vandalized, the cab aggregators are currently not operating the vehicles as they used to on a daily basis. Clearly, the services have been impacted. We have filed a couple of reports, not just from the New Delhi railway station, but also we have seen to the Indira Gandhi International Airport, Terminal 3, where the impact can be equally be seen and experienced. And there are only less number of cab aggregators which are out there on the roads, and they are also being given the stern warning not to ply on roads. And if the warning is not, not followed by them, then they might get their vehicles vandalized. This is a big fear which is being seen among all those cab aggregators and the drivers especially. And to talk about this strike in particular, in a short while from now, post 2 p.m., there is a huge gathering which is expected from the side of the cab drivers. And also this is a particular call for the strike which has been given by all Delhi Auto Taxi Congress Union. So there are a couple of associations which falls under this particular banner who are going to protest. In fact, a letter as well in detail has been mentioned by LGVK Saxena, wherein some of the demands have been clearly mentioned by them. And the primary reason as to why they are protesting is against those Ola and Uber companies, against the cab aggregators, including that of the Rapido as well, against the charges which are being leveled by them in the form of the commission. Many of the drivers have alleged that between 25 to 35% is something which they are charging, and the drivers are only left with just few bucks, which are clearly not enough for them. And also there is problem with the drivers as far as the illegal registration of the number plates are concerned. The normal number plates are being used for the commercial usages. So there are a couple of demands which have been raised by the drivers. Although this is something which is to be highlighted, the auto and the Kali Pili taxi, they are working likewise. So there is no problem as far as the autos are concerned across the capital city, but the impact of the cabs is being seen in Delhi, in Noida, in some parts of the greater Noida as well. So this is the particular areas which have been hugely impacted, and the normal people, commuters, the passengers are the ones who are facing the brunt, because those cabs which are left on the road now, they are charging
Nikhil, are you still with us? All right, we'll try to reestablish that connection with my colleague there. But one key thing that he did have to say was that the autos apparently at this point, there doesn't seem to be a big impact. But instead, the cabs in Delhi, Noida, Greater Noida, that's where the biggest impact is being seen.